So I have this extension ladder that you see behind me. One of the things that kind of worries me a little bit is the stability of the ladder when I'm leaning it up against something like the house. So when I begin to walk up it, you can see how it could slide kind of side to side like that. So I found a solution. Let me share it with you. This here is a ladder stabilizer. You can see in the picture, and I'm going to show you how to attach this to the ladder and how it works up on the house or whatever else that you are going to be using it up against. Comes with this really nice tool holder here. You're just going to just like that. Next, you take this U-bolt, place it around like so. And this is what it looks like installed on the ladder. You have your tool holder here along with this nice little hook. You want to make sure that these two right here go right onto this, and then just use these U-bolts to bolt it on. And this is the way it looks up there. I like that it has a nice wider base than just that ladder now. So now when I'm moving this, it's much more stable. This feels way better to me. I like it. Really grips on really nice here. Another way this works great is around your gutters. If you don't like leaning your ladder right on the gutter, worried about it denting it up, you see this brings it off of that and supports it. And this allows you to stabilize right to the roof. And this tool rack is just awesome. I like the fact that it has different options here. And with this hook underneath, you can hang a variety of different tools. If you're a little weary when you get on ladders and you're looking for a ladder stabilizer, this one right here that I got, it works very well. I do recommend it.